What's up everyone? Today we are going to learn how to make Mapo Tofu with chicken, my dad's variation on one of Sichuan's most famous dishes. Sichuan food is one of the 8 major Chinese cuisines, recognized internationally for its bold flavors and intense spices. Nowadays, there are many variations of Mapo Tofu, but the original dish dates back to 1862 at a small family restaurant known as the Cantonese Style. The word Mapo refers to Mrs. Chen, a grandma with bumpy, cratered skin. Her dish became so popular that her family later changed the restaurant's name to Chen Mapo Tofu Restaurant, which is still open to this day. Teaching us will be my dad, who's been cooking Chinese food for over 50 years. Also, stay tuned at the end to eat with us and learn more about the dish. Check out our blog post for a printable, adjustable list of ingredients, as well as step-by-step videos and instructions on how to make this dish. Hope you guys enjoy!
而家我哋開始做呢個麻婆豆腐，大概係3至4個安士嘅雞肉吧。我首先切咗呢個雞肉先哦，睇住嚟，咁打橫咁切，嗱，好容易啫。嗱，然之後咧，整翻個醬出嚟，咁啊剁。 再反轉佢，好啦，咁就切好啦。
For this next step, we'll be creating a chicken marinade using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of water. In a bowl, mix together the ingredients and chicken with your hands, using a bit of strength until the marinade is fully absorbed. We can let this sit for about 5 minutes as we move on to the next steps.
做好晒啦，先至切豆腐。 用咩豆腐都得，硬嘅又得，軟嘅又得。呢個就 soft， 我切豆腐咧，就首先中間切咗佢2份，然之後咧中間一下，左呢度一下，咁樣好方便係咪？呀，嗱，1、2、3、4，切，就係咁簡單，啊！ 好簡單嘅咋，嗱，就係咁容易。好啦，豆腐切好啦。
Next, we'll mince 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, fresh chilies, and green onion. My dad tends to keep his spiciness levels pretty mild, so he's only using 1 to 2 small chilies for this dish. If you love spicy food, feel free to go crazy. If you don't have fresh chilies, you can also buy chili sauces from Asian markets or on Amazon. I've included a link in the description where you can buy my dad's favorite sauces.
好啦，嘢就切好晒啦，開埋個生粉水先，水咧就2湯匙咧，生粉咧湯匙咧。 就係咁容易。好啦。
After we've prepared all of our ingredients, we turn our stove to its highest setting. Once our wok has heated up, we add 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn oil and our fresh chilies and garlic. Stir the chilies and garlic around in the oil for about 20 to 30 seconds as you start to smell the aromas.
嗱，有味啊，有香味啊。Yeah。好啦，跟住咧就落嗰啲雞肉落去啦。 啲雞肉咧，呢度佢有啲香味出嚟嘅時候咧，20個 chicken 咁上下啦。
即係一路炒一路睇下啲雞肉係變緊色咁啦，變緊色就即係話熟咯，係咪？
香味啊，有啲香味啊。
Yes。
好啦。
Next, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of bean sauce. Stir it around with the chicken for about 1 minute to mix in the flavor. You can usually find bean sauce at an Asian grocery store or on Amazon. I've included a link in the description below. Next, we'll add 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a half teaspoon of dark soy sauce. The dark soy sauce gives the dish a more dark and rich color. If you don't have dark soy sauce specifically, normal soy sauce is fine.
好啦，而家咧就俾埋啲豆腐落去得啦。跟住咧 我哋用個蓋冚住佢，煮佢一陣間，煮到啲豆腐熱咗、滾咗就 OK 啦。
This is popular at the restaurant?
Yeah， 好多。Yeah， 我哋經常煮豆腐食啦，唔係佢。不過就唔一定係用雞肉，我有時用蝦，蝦都得啊，蝦都得嘅啫。Yeah， 咩都得。總之我個意思就話隨意，你中意落蝦又得，雞肉又得，豬肉又得，牛肉都得。OK， 睇到啦，已經滾到啵啵聲啦嗬。我哋而家咧就俾嗰啲生粉落去啦。如果冇呢個咪淨係水嚟嘅咯，係嘛？咪睇住啦。啲豆腐本身係冇味嘅，佢就靠呢個芡濕咗、索咗嗰啲芡度，啲豆腐先係好食，啫嘛。好啦，睇到嘛？而家最緊要最衰尾俾麻油落去啦。麻油咧就唔使好多啦，搽住都得啦。係啦 ，OK， 得㗎啦。
Smells good.
熟㗎啦，嗱，好啦，豆腐就煮好啦，我哋而家上碟啦，睇住嚟。最好咧就唔好用鑊鏟，就咁倒佢落去，啲豆腐咧就唔會爛晒嘅，知道嘛？睇，知係嘛？係咪？係咪？係咪？啊！啲肉幾靚，再俾上啲葱花上去，yeah， 咁就搞掂晒啦。我出去食啦。
Wow.
哦。
OK， 食得。
食得啦。
食得。
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, everyone.
So hopefully everybody like our dish. Today I need to eat some more because it tastes so good.
你擺埋啲，唔好整快啲，整呢度好難洗㗎。你跌咗呢度就難洗㗎啦。
好食啊！
好食，梗係 good。
So good. It's very soft, very tasty. The spicy taste is very gentle, very good for us. And also we love to add some rice because rice is a plain taste. So mix up with the mapo tofu, it is great. Very good, right?
我少你食，我教你仔，好啦，你攞，唔好頂咗呢度，頂呢度難洗嘅仔。你食。
點解四川嘅地方係碟係咁辣啊？
佢中意食辣。
My friend from Sichuan, the whole pan is red color. 成個碟都係紅㗎，碟都係紅㗎。哇！
咁廣東啲餐係冇咁。
廣東嘢啊，冇咁辣，清淡啲嘅。
清淡面 light taste。
我哋廣東嘅人冇咁鹹，冇咁重嗰啲味嘅。我哋廣東人。
In Canton, it's hot stay, not too cold.
Yeah.
We in the south, Sichuan and like Beijing is in the north. So all those states is cold. Cold is easy to take the hot spicy food.
好嘛？仲食唔食啊？仲食啊？中意食啊？
仲冇飯俾佢？你飲多啲水嚇。你識唔識煮啊？今次啊？
最緊要最尾嗰個知道嘛仔？你冇呢最尾嗰啲生粉開嗰啲水落去咧，啲豆腐係冇味，佢全靠呢啲個豆腐先好食。
Is that pepper？ 啲細路仔唔食呢啲啊？
唉，細路仔都冇得食啊！我哋細個喺 China 乜嘢都冇得食啊，好少嘢食㗎咋，成日都係食飯啊，食菜啊。The government give us a little coupon to buy meat, maybe £1 a month.
£1 a month? Meat?
我成身都熱晒啦而家。
Yeah, me too. Sweating. See this?
This one can really take the spicy away.
Watermelon?
Yeah. Now you can use the fork to 嗱食啊！想唔想我俾半個西瓜你拎翻去切開？威啲。
That's okay.
唔想食算。你而家食多啲啦。
喺邊度買？
中啊！
中啊！
攞咗啦！
哦，
你想唔想影張相啊？
My dad's garden.
而家呢啲乾咗嘅仲有大啲，生出嚟嗰啲就仲靚啲。
My nose is sweating.
我諗阿卡好中意食啊！一次我睇見佢食辣嘢咧，佢一羹辣，哇嚇到我咩咁啊！我食咁多啫，佢一羹喎。
好食啫，好食咧，係。
Hello everyone. Today we try our dish. We really like it. I believe all our fans in the video, you will like it. You can try once, twice, 3 times. Each time you will improve. And after all those trying, I believe everybody will be successful to make your favorite Mapo Tofu. So hopefully everybody like it, and also hopefully all our fans in the video subscribe and thumbs up. See you next time.